Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log into your Capitec Bank online banking account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type CAPITEC capitecbank.co.za. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Capitec Bank. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the sign in button. Click on it and you'll be able to see two options, either personal banking or open with business banking. Here I'm going to choose personal banking option and click on the personal online banking button. After you click on it, you'll be led to a new login page for online banking. Here you'll have to either enter your account number or your username. After that, simply click on the continue button. After you click on the continue button, you'll have to enter your password and follow through the prompts. After you've entered all your details, all you'll have to do is click on the login button that will be shown on the screen. And finally, you'll have successfully logged into your Capitec Bank online banking account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.